Hey peeps, welcome to Pips Prints 3D. Latest print, as it is World Cup season, and my boys, well, one of my boys, my youngest, loves football. I thought I would print him this. So this is FIFA World Cup. So it's using Sunlu filaments. That's the glow in the dark green because it's the only one I had. And then this is their gold silk, which looks absolutely awesome, to be fair. So all the changes you can see are a slight colour change where the thickness changes for walling, and then the line here where it joins together because it's printed in separate parts. So this bit down here, this gold, actually has a thread on it, and that threads into the top section here. Then this green, that and that are separate, and then that goes into that, and they all come together to make this awesome thing. So the quality's pretty good. I had it on variable layer height, so it's actually printed the top quite well, and the model's really nice actually. It was from Maker World. If you do it by likes, I think it's like the 4th or 5th one that needs, well, it's the first one that says needs no AMS and stuff, which is why I got it, because obviously I've only got the CC1. I still haven't received the thing yet. So yeah, it's printed out really well. And the Sunlu filament, I tried using the Sunlu's profile on the slicer from Elegoo. Didn't work at all. It was alright for the green one, but for the silk, the only one that was on there was Silk PLA Plus and then a PLA Plus 2. Neither of them worked very well, so what I did was I just used Elegoo's silk setting. Worked perfect, and it came out great. I had one failure about 2.5 hours in to the main section there, to this bit. What I think had happened is that I had a tree in the middle for the thread, obviously, and that come loose, and it must have jiggled its way up out of the hole, and it actually knocked off the fan on the front of the hot end. Just completely knocked it off, unplugged it and everything. So I came in to check it, and I was lying at the front, and it was goofed. So started again. I checked it when it got to about that point, and it went through grand and printed out great. About 23 hours all in all to print this out, so it is a long one. And I've glued it, and obviously when you're tightening that thread up for the bottom bit, it tightens it all together. There's wee prongs to get it all in the right places, but it's really cool. And yeah, the boys love it. So that's my latest print, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. I'll get back to you with some more videos hopefully soon on here and on YouTube. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.